So we're looking at circle geometry. Our topic is circle geometry, and we're looking at chords and arc. When we say circle geometry, we are looking at the study of the size and shapes of the circle. Circle geometry is the study of the size and shape of a circle. So we are focusing on chords and arc. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on its circumference. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on its circumference. So that if we have a circle, say this is our circle, we said that a chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on its circumference. If we take the line from the circumference of the circle, that means the side like this. This is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, around the circle. We decide to draw a line from one point here on the circumference to this point here. We see that line is referred to as a chord. So this is A and this is B. So a chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points in the circumference of the circle. What if we take that line that passes through the center of the circle? Say we have a line joining this point to this point on the center of the circle. This line is called a diameter. So we have that line as the diameter of the circle. So that if I have this as C and D, AB is called a chord. CD is also a chord, but a special kind of chord that divides the circle into 2 equal parts, and that itself is the diameter. So we call this the diameter of the circle. CD as the diameter of the circle. Interestingly, the chord divides the circle into 2 arcs. The arc of the circle AB from this region A to region B is called the arc. So this is called the minor arc. And from A round like this to this side B is called the major arc. So I have that as our major arc. So we can have that a chord divides the circle into 2 major arc. That's the minor arc and the major arc. Alright, next thing we'll look at is the fact that a chord also divides the circle into 2 major segments. So if I have a circle, the chord divides the circle into 2 major segments. And I have a chord, say AB, from this point to this point, A and B. So we said 2 major segments. This is a segment. And this other part is a segment. This segment here is called the minor segment, and this is called the major segment. So we have that a chord divides the circle into two segments, the major segments and the minor segments. So in our next video, we'll discuss more about circle geometry. Thanks.